Welcome back. Today let's tackle the most common cucumber mistakes that keep your harvest small and your vines messy. Are your plants all flowers and no fruit? Or is your patch a tangled jungle? You're not alone. Cucumbers can be tricky, and one small mistake can ruin your season. I've rounded up the top 7 cucumber mistakes and more importantly, how to fix them for a bumper crop. Stick around for mistake number 1. It's the silent killer that can sabotage your efforts before you even start. Ready? Let's dive in. Mistake number 7 is planting too early. Cucumbers hate cold soil. Planting before it's at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit will stunt or kill your seedlings. Wait 2 weeks after your last frost, and use a soil thermometer to be sure. Speed up soil warming with black plastic or start seeds in containers in a sunny spot. Remember, warm soil equals happy, productive cucumbers. Number 6. Poor trellising. Letting vines sprawl leads to rot, disease, and hidden fruit. Cucumbers love to climb, so install a sturdy trellis or netting early. Vertical growth keeps fruit clean, improves airflow, and boosts your yield. Plus, it saves space and makes harvesting a breeze. Mistake 5. Overwatering. Cucumbers need consistent moisture, but soggy soil suffocates roots and causes rot. Water deeply once or twice a week, aiming for about an inch total, including rain. Use mulch to retain moisture and keep roots cool. Check soil 2 inches down. If it's dry, water. If not, wait. Healthy roots mean healthy plants. Number 4. Ignoring pollination. Lots of flowers but no fruit? Bees aren't visiting, so pollination isn't happening. Attract pollinators with flowers like marigolds and avoid pesticides. If needed, hand pollinate by transferring pollen from male to female flowers with a brush. Simple fix, big results. Mistake 3. Crowding your plants. Too many cucumbers in one spot means poor airflow, more disease, and less fruit. Space plants 12-24 inches apart and thin seedlings ruthlessly. Trellising also helps prevent crowding and keeps plants healthy. Give each plant room to thrive. Number 2. Skipping harvests or letting cucumbers get too big. Oversized cucumbers signal the plant to stop producing and taste bitter. Harvest often. Pick slicing types at 6-8 inches, pickling types at 3-4 inches. Check daily during peak season. The more you pick, the more you get. Frequent harvesting keeps plants productive. Don't let them get away from you. The number 1 mistake: bad soil. Poor, compacted, or nutrient-deficient soil leads to weak plants and tiny fruit. Before planting, mix in compost or well-rotted manure for rich, loose soil. Aim for a pH of 6.0-7.0 and feed plants with compost or balanced fertilizer every few weeks. Healthy soil is the foundation of a great harvest. Invest in your soil, and your cucumbers will thrive. There you have it, the top 7 cucumber mistakes to avoid. Which ones have you made? Share in the comments. Remember, gardening is about learning and improving each season. Avoid these mistakes and you're on your way to your best cucumber harvest ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.